All right, these are the carpets we're doing here today, guys. There. This area, we got downstairs basement, 2 set of steps, hallway, two bedrooms, and of course, the masters with a walk-in closet. All right, guys, let's go. All right, we're pre-spraying now. This is a polyester carpet. And typically, guys, as you saw in my other videos, polyester carpet is typically a cheaper contractor's grade carpet. It's cheap. It does resist stains, but it loves oil because the soil actually oxidizes to the fiber yarn, causing it to bond, which is very hard to clean. And it crushes easy, it mats down, as you can see, especially high traffic areas. So that's the only problem with cheaper carpet, especially Oflin or polyester. The best carpet on the market I love to clean, and that's gonna really bounce back, is a nylon carpet or a hybrid carpet like a Tigressa. So a little tip of the day there, guys. But yeah, we're cleaning this. They just bought this house, and we're pre-treating now to suspend the soil load. All right, guys, stay tuned. Agitating the fiber yarns now so the soil load can be suspended correctly. We have it's been doing for about 20 minutes, but it's suspending well. We're going to steam out the fiber yarns and sanitize the fibers, and it should all be good. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, got downstairs now. Clean up that soil area. You see that difference, Lisa? Check that out. See that difference? I pre-sprayed it. That's chemistry working.
Yeah.
Basically, it breaks up the soil load, and then I steam it out to sanitize the fibers. But yeah, definitely, this part, people love to see this part.
I know, and it smells so good in here.
Thank you.
Yeah, it makes a huge difference.
Absolutely. Yeah, we use, it's called Sea Breeze. Another window there shows me that all the residue is being removed.
Yeah,
It is. That's what I've been doing 20 years. I just can't get away from it. Beautiful. All right, guys, give you the update. Remember how dirty this area was? It's coming out absolutely stunning. The client just saw it and she couldn't believe it. But yeah, guys, this is what we do. We clean, maintain, and restore all flooring, whether it's soft or hard surface. Beautiful. They just bought this house. They're gonna move into it, and they want it nice and fresh so they can enjoy it. Look at that, guys. Just cutting through all that dirt. Hope you guys are having a great day out there. As always, call us if you need us. Happy to serve. Beautiful. All right, guys, just got finished up doing this. Now we're going downstairs. Beautiful. Stay tuned. All right, guys, here's the dirty water dump y'all like to see. Here we go. Look at that. This came out of the 13 areas that we did today, and the client loved it. All right, guys. See you in the next one. All right, guys, this is our inline filter. Let me show you. This is what came out of the carpet, guys. Look at this. Wow. Hold on. See that? That clogged up, or all that stuff came out of the carpet. Isn't that gross? But AO, get you done. Polio today. Nice. We also sanitize all our equipment when we're done, so you guys can see. Hey, Facebook, YouTube, we're out here at AO Cleaning. We're at a customer's house that found us online. They just moved to Columbia. They bought a house. We took care of their carpets, and I want you to let her speak to what we did for today to clean the carpets. Here she is.
Hi, my name's Lisa. Ryan and Noman did an awesome job. They cleaned our entire house. We had over 13 areas that they cleaned. And it looked like the carpets hadn't been cleaned in a while and all the spots came out. So they did an awesome job. Thank you.